Welcome, today I'm Fred of xiaomiblackshark 5 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the notification section, and just to change your device notifications, tap here once on this section and tap here to profile. Then click here to ringtones, and to select the default ringtone from your device you should hold, just select one from these available sounds. For example, let's use this one. Then just tap here to apply, and we want to set this sound to notification. Now we can see the message that this notification applied successfully. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.